Right? We saw how to display the current date and time using datetime module and now method. Now, I would like to format this date and time in a way that I want it. For this purpose, I'm going to use another method inside the now method. So now dot, the name of the method is strftime. So this is basically a method that gives us the ability to use a format that then want it, and then we display the current date and time in that format. So I would like for now to only display this date. And the way that I want it, I want to show it in an American style, means that the first month and then day and then year, like this. Month, lowercase m for month, and then day followed by year. And since it is a string formatted, so it needs a quotation. And then if you run the code, it just gives you MDY. So this is not what we want. We want the formatted date in this way that we're written. So to do this, I'm going to use modulus right before each character. And now I'm going to run the code and you get the result. This is the current date. Now I'm going to get one further step and then use / between these characters, and then you see that it's a more formal date. Now I'm gonna add time to it. So for time you need capital H and then capital M and capital S, right? And then if you again run the code, you see that it just gives you the literal characters HMS. But we want them exactly the way that we did for date, so we use modulus before each character to format them. And now you run it, gives you the result. This is the current time right now. And then I'm going to add colon in between these characters. And you see now we formatted the string in a way that we want it. And this is all about this tutorial. Thanks for watching.